Let's roll, let's rock. We'll step at that little white dude.
Be boss. Boss man.
Boss man.
Hold on, who you type? He said it's opposite. That shit threw me off.
Too tough, but like, you never got it, yeah. Big off. Quit getting the hoodies. Get the joggers, please. For the girl.
When it's hoodie season.
Get the joggers.
For reasons, man.
Like in class, and it gets too hot, be boss. You still got tears.
That's your perspective. I'm a hoodie type of nigga. When it's hoodie season, I ain't taking my hoodie off.
Thank you, by the way. Thank you.
Why? You do this to yourself.